Hello, right, in this episode I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect rice. So we start off, you don't have to add these but I do, cumin seeds. So we're going to toast them a little bit. Then we're going to add 1 cup of rice. Doesn't matter what rice you use, any rice will do, but I use basmati rice. Two cups of cold water, using the same cup you use the rice to measure the rice with. One cup of rice will easily feed 2 people. We're going to bring that rice to the boil. I'll catch you in a minute when it's boiled. Right, so we've brought the rice to a boil, and what we need to be watching for is, as the water reduces, you'll see tiny little holes appear in the rice, in the water. And once you see that happen, when it eventually does, don't worry folks, it will happen. Right, so the water's reducing now. Right, so the like tiny little holes what appear there. Once you can see that the water's reduced enough, you turn the power of the gas, the electric off, whatever your hob is, all together. Put the lid on and just leave for 10 minutes. Right, so this rice should be just about ready now. Let's check it. Right, yeah, as you can see, it just falls. It's not stuck together. Perfect rice every time. Right, I hope you've liked this video. Please like and share. Catch you soon. Right, I hope you liked my little rice video. I hope it works out well for you. Please let me know if it does. And most of all, stay safe.